Ji Assalamualaikum. Dear students, in this video we are going to learn introduction to Revit and later on we will discuss the basic interference guide. Okay, so time is money, let's get started. So viewers, if I talk about the introduction of Revit, then Revit is a building information modeling software developed by the company Autodesk. Okay, it is generally used by architects, structural engineers, mechanical, electrical, plumbing engineer, designers and contractors. Okay. Autodesk Revit allows users to create, edit and review 3D models in exceptional details. Okay, are you getting my point? Furthermore, Revit allows you to place real-life building components such as windows, walls, doors instead of drawings, making a design more precise. Okay. Furthermore, it can help you to generate floor plans, elevations, sections, details, and schedules. Okay. So this is the short introduction to Revit. I hope you guys are following me. Now moving to the next part, that is basic interference guide. Okay, so when you open the Revit, this screen will open and now there are multiple tabs. Okay, so the interference is quite simple. At first we have the quick access toolbar. Okay, in quick access toolbar we have multiple options. That is, if you want to convert your model into 3D is also there. If you want to add text to your rooms, windows, door, then this option is also there. Text is also there if you want to print your document, print your drawing, sorry. So this is also there. Okay, so after quick access toolbar we have the ribbon, that is tab. Okay, in tab we have different options, that is architectural, structural, steel, system, annotate, analyze, and each and everything is there. Okay, so in architecture we have wall, doors, windows, columns, roof, ceiling, almost each and everything is there in the architecture. Okay, same as the case with structural. Annotate, insert, if you want to insert something, any picture, so you can simply go to the tab, insert tab, and insert your required picture. Okay, so this is about the architectural tab. Moving to the next, we have the ribbon, that is toolbar. Okay, so in toolbar we have also multiple options, that is, if you want to copy your drawing, move your drawing. Okay, if you want to add grid lines or if you want to add some extra levels to your drawing, then these options are also there. Okay, whereas moving to the next part, in the left side we have properties bar. So in properties bar, if you want to change the length, width and height of your drawing, whether you are working in 3D or 2D, so you can change the properties from the properties panel. Okay, in the bottom we have project browser. So project browser is all about complete details of the plan, that is elevation, section, 3D, 2D floor plan, each and everything will be stored in your project browser. Okay, so this is all about project browser. Now in the last we have status bar, and it is quite simple as you see. Whereas near to status bar we have view control bar. Okay, so in view control bar we have multiple options, that is, if you want to work in realistic view, hidden view, or you conceptual view, so there are multiple options you can choose according to your requirements. Whereas in the middle we have the drawing area, so we can draw anything in Revit according to your requirements, according to your desired values, or according to the requirements of the project. Okay, so this is all about the basic interference guide. This is quite simple, it's not difficult as 3ds Max. So viewers, I hope you guys like the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for notification. More details are uploading very soon, so stay tuned. Thanks a lot, thanks a million, thanks a bunch.